Welcome to IgoroTech channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to perform a virus scan in Windows 10 and 11. Windows 10 and 11 include Windows Security, which provides the latest antivirus protection. Your device will be actively protected from the moment you start Windows. Windows Security continually scans for malware, viruses, and security threats. In addition to this real-time protection, updates are downloaded automatically to help keep your device safe and protected from threats. Windows Security is built into Windows and includes an antivirus program called Microsoft Defender Antivirus. If you have another antivirus app installed and turned on, Microsoft Defender Antivirus will turn off automatically. If you uninstall the other app, Microsoft Defender Antivirus will turn back on automatically. To customize how your device is protected with these Windows security features, go to Start, Settings, Update and Security. Then Windows Security. Windows Security is your home to manage the tools that protect your device and your data. This library describes the Windows Security app, and provides information on configuring the following features. Virus and threat protection, monitor threats to your device, run scans, and get updates to help detect the latest threats. Some of these options are unavailable if you're running Windows 10 in S mode. Account protection, access sign-in options and account settings, including Windows Hello and Dynamic Lock. Firewall and network protection, manage firewall settings and monitor what's happening with your networks and internet connections. App and browser control, update settings for Microsoft Defender Smart Screen to help protect your device against potentially dangerous apps, files, sites, and downloads. You'll have exploit protection and you can customize protection settings for your devices. Device security, review built-in security options to help protect your device from attacks by malicious software. Device performance and health, view status info about your device's performance health, and keep your device clean and up to date with the latest version of Windows. Family options, keep track of your kids' online activity and the devices in your household. If you're worried about a specific file or folder on your local device, you can right-click the file, folder, or driver in File Explorer, then select Scan with Microsoft Defender. Note, if you suspect there's malware or a virus on your device, you should immediately run a quick scan. To run quick scan in Windows Security, open Virus and Threat Protection, select Quick Scan. If the scan doesn't find any issues but you're still concerned, you may want to check your device more thoroughly. To run an advanced scan. In Windows Security, open Virus and Threat Protection. Under the current threats, select Scan Options. Select one of the scan options. Full Scan, check all files and programs currently on your device. Custom Scan, scan specific files or folders. Microsoft Defender Offline Scan, restarts your computer and runs a deep scan before Windows loads to catch especially sneaky malware. After you have selected the type of scan, click on Scan Now button to start scanning. Even though Windows Security is regularly scanning your device to keep it safe, you can also set when and how often the scans occur. To do this, follow the steps. Select the Start button, type Schedule Tasks in the search box, and in the list of results, select Task Scheduler. In the left pane, select the arrow next to Task Scheduler library to expand it. Do the same with Microsoft. Next is Windows. Then scroll down and select the Windows Defender folder. In the top center pane, select Windows Defender Scheduled Scan. In the Actions pane on the right, scroll down and then select Properties. In the window that opens, select the Triggers tab, and then select New. Set your preferred time and frequency, then select OK. Review the schedule and select OK. Sometimes you may need to briefly stop running real-time protection. While real-time protection is off, files you open or download won't be scanned for threats. However, real-time protection will soon turn on automatically again to protect your device. To turn real-time protection off temporarily, follow the steps. In Windows Security, open Virus and Threat Protection. Manage Settings. Switch the real-time protection setting to off and choose Yes to verify. This covers protecting your system with Windows Security. If you have a question to ask, leave it in the comments below and I'll do my best to answer it. If you found this tutorial is helpful, please give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe on our YouTube channel. Thank you very much for watching and have a great day.